Okay, let's take a look at Prolog and anonymous variables. So here we have our source code. Here we have a number of facts. The predicate name is person, and we have a number of arguments inside the parentheses there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arguments for each predicate. Down here we have the rule. So A is a man if A and B and is a male, and C and D is a person. So we're going to do some queries using this rule on these facts. So I've already loaded this source code into Prolog using the consult method. So let's do a few queries. Let's take this one first. And copy it into here. Pressing enter, we get the output. So let's take a look at the query first. We have the predicate name person. We've got a atom here, it's a lowercase p, and we've got variables here because they need to be, for a variable we need a capital letter as the first character. So taking a look at the source code over here, we can see that Paul is only listed once here, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 variables there. So let's take a look at the output. We've returned for the surname Smith, which is that one there. Gender, male, is that one there. And age is 45, which is that one there. And occupation, which is that one there. So what this query has done, it has searched for, it has enacted this rule here and searched in our facts for anything that is similar or the same as Paul. So it's found this fact here. Let's take a look at another query, this one here. So this time we've done a query using the same predicate, person, and everything else is the same, surname, gender, age, occupation, but this time we've changed the first atom, which is assigned A. So it's looking for Bob in here, in the facts here, and as you can see here in the source code, there is no Bob listed, so it simply returns false. Let's type in this query here. So what we've done here, we've called the same predicate person. We've given the first argument Paul, but all the other arguments have got underscore characters. So each one of these underscore characters is actually called an anonymous variable. An anonymous variable is a special type of variable, and it's used when we don't care about the value of the variable. So it's automatically returned true because it has found Paul here as one of the facts. Let's type in another query. This time here we've got our predicate person. We've given it the first argument as Paul, but we've entered in a variable for the second argument, which is the second argument here. So, and we've left the other three as anonymous variables. So what it has done is tried to search the database with the first argument as Paul. It has found this one here. Then it returns the second argument and assigns it to the variable surname, which is Smith there, but it doesn't return anything else for the other three. Let's type in our final query here. Now this time the cursor is waiting for our input, so we type in semicolon to get all the solutions. Let's take a look at this one. So we have the predicate person, the first argument is Martin, and the next two are anonymous variables. Then we have a variable called age. Then the last argument is another anonymous variable. So this one will be looking for Martin in our database. It's found it here, and then it will return the age here, 1, 2, 3, 4, the fourth argument, which is 23. So that's that 23. But let's look at why it returns a 47 again for age. It is because if you look down here, we have a second person called Martin, and so it needs to print that one out as well, and 47 we get there.